In this brief video, we will review the benefits of searching for OHSU-authored publications using Scopus. I will also go over step-by-step searching instructions, merging author profiles, and viewing your saved author lists. Why search for OHSU-authored publications? Performing OHSU author searches can be beneficial for many reasons, including facilitating collaboration with subject matter experts, enabling research impact assessment, locating possible grant reviewers or research partners, performing literature review activities, and authorship verification. For these purposes, Scopus is helpful because it is a comprehensive database of peer-reviewed literature that provides complete author profiles, citation metrics, and publication histories. Additionally, since not all the papers we publish end up in PubMed, Scopus is considered the database of record for OHSU papers. So how do you perform a search of OHSU authors in Scopus? To search for multiple OHSU authors in Scopus, you may want to create a Scopus author list. This means that, initially, you will need to search for each author individually, but after that, the list of authors is saved for the next time you wish to check the status of publications from your department. To get started, visit the Scopus database at scopus.com. Use your OHSU credentials to either sign into your Scopus account or create an account if you don't already have one. This is required to create things like lists and saved searches. Once on the search page, select the Authors search and search for each author in your department by name. Please note that for people with very common names, you may want to include an affiliation in the search. This may help with the accuracy of results. For example, Oregon Health Science, Portland, or Oregon are all good affiliation search strings for OHSU members. Also, some authors may have multiple Scopus author profiles because they are generated automatically from the publications Scopus ingests. Not only may you encounter different variations of the author's name, but it is recommended that you search Scopus using any known name variation to surface all of their work. This may include their full first name versus first initial, or with or without middle initials. Due to this, you may also find more than one profile for the same person, and you can make a request to merge these profiles. We'll go over how to merge author profiles a little later in this video. Once you have found all of the materials by a particular author, check the box next to the author that you want to save. Then click Save to Author List. You will be prompted to either choose an existing list or create a new one. Simply repeat these steps for each author you wish to keep track of. In this section of the video, we will go over how to merge author profiles in Scopus. Combining author names in Scopus is a process that involves merging duplicate author profiles to ensure that all publications by a particular author are correctly attributed to the same profile. Once again, use the Authors search function to locate the profiles that you believe should be combined. Review author profiles by checking the publication lists, affiliations, and other details. You can do this by clicking into an author's name and selecting View More to review the author's institution history, subject areas, and to compare to similar profiles. You may also click into the Find Potential Author Matches function to see suggested matches. Once you are 100% certain that these profiles are for the same author, you can request a merge by selecting each profile, clicking the Request to Merge Authors link at the top of your search results page, and then completing the Author Feedback Wizard. And the wizard will ask if you're attempting to merge your own profile or someone else's. Once you've made your selection, click Continue and Review Request. Profiles are merged within a few business days, and your author list will be automatically updated. In this section, we will go over how to view all the publications in your Scopus author list. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the top right of the screen and select Saved Lists from among the options. Select the Authors tab, click on the name of the list to see all the authors, and select the All checkbox at the top of the list. This selects all the authors in the list by default. Click Show Documents to see all the authors' publications collectively. This launches a standard Scopus document search, so you can filter to specific years, publications, etc. The Analyze Search Results link at the top of the Documents list will take you to some potentially interesting graphs about your department's publications. You can export Scopus search results for use in spreadsheets, citation managers, bibliographic analysis tools, and analysis in SciVal. You can also set up an alert to receive email notifications when your team has new publications. This concludes our video on searching for OHSU author publications using Scopus. In this video, we went over the benefits of searching for OHSU author publications using Scopus, as well as how to search for authors, merge author profiles, and view your saved author lists. If you would like help with Scopus or with analysis of your department's research impact, you may book an appointment with a librarian using the Contact Us form.